Last month won't have been a break for Oscar Pistorius. Rigorous tests by a panel of experts at a psychiatric hospital. In court, just a few sentences were read out, but enough to know the thrust of the findings.
At the time of the alleged offences, the accused did not suffer from a mental disorder or mental defect that affected his ability to distinguish between rightful or wrongful nature of his deeds.
That was widely expected and essentially rules out diminished responsibility. So on with the case, just a few more witnesses to go. Amongst them, the surgeon who amputated the athlete's legs in childhood. Dr. Jerry Versfeld testified about his patient's disability.
On his stumps, he is seriously vulnerable in a dangerous situation, with a severely impaired ability to flee, severely impaired ability to ward off danger without a weapon, and in danger of falling should he put the stump down incorrectly.
Before the end, an acoustic engineer took the stand as questions turned to what witnesses have testified sounded like female screams on the night of the shooting.
177 meters away, if the scream was from the toilet, it is very unlikely that a listener can hear the scream, let alone interpret the sound source reliably. If the screams were from the bathroom, the listeners may have heard a scream and may possibly be able to interpret the sound under certain conditions.
Potentially now, only a few more days of this.
Now, there have been frustration in some quarters around whether this 30-day delay was really necessary at all. But what it has meant is that predictions around how long this whole legal process could take have been proven wrong yet again. Reports are now circulating that the defence could wrap up its case within the next day or two. Needless to say, those reports should still be treated with some caution. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Pretoria, South Africa.